Hey, good morning, everyone. We're out here driving around Denver International Airport looking for some different plane spottings than the usual spots. But different intro today. It's been a weird week for me. I've just been in a real funk this week. Just evaluating life and health and all that good stuff that we all contemplate as humans every once in a while, but it's put me in a bad funk this week, and one of the ways I usually get out of a bad week is go plane spot. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's go watch some airplanes. So for today, we are watching departures off of runway 8 heading to the east out of Denver International Airport. We'll do a little discussion a little bit later, but let's get back to some more airplanes. You know, as I sit here and watch these planes take off and watch Flight Radar 24, and I ponder life a lot. But life is good, you know. I've got a good job, work for a great company, got a great family, lots of support, and when you're just having an off week, they all help. They all come together. They don't know they come together, but they all come together and help out. One thing I know is I got to get healthy, though, or healthier. I need to take better care of myself. And I love the outdoors here in Colorado. I need to take more advantage of that in terms of the health side. But you know what? For now, we're going to keep doing some plane spotting because that's really helping me today. This current bank has been mostly southwest. So I'm just taking a little break here, and southwest is fun to shoot, but when you're 8 planes in on this bank, shooting the same livery over and over, it gets kind of old. So I'm going to wait for some other airlines to take off here. It's really peaceful out here. A lot of birds flying around. I see a couple hawks sitting on top of the poles. Maybe when I move to a different spot, I'll try to get some pictures of those hawks. But let's just wait for some United, American, Delta, anything, Air Canada, anything else. Let's see what happens. If you have a second, I'd sure appreciate a like or a thumbs up for this video. And also, do you know any good heart-healthy diets that don't leave you hungry after eating? Let me know.